The 2019 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, power moonroof, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.